As a founder, a great financial model is one of the most important tools you can have. It helps you run your business more effectively. It gives you a solid understanding of how your business works and key metrics like revenue, churn rate, and runway. It gives you confidence when you're pitching your vision to investors and helps you raise capital. But building a financial model in Excel is tricky and time-consuming. Even if you do get a basic model working in Excel, you still won't have the flexibility to quickly model different scenarios, to link it up with your accounting software, or to share your model with investors in a way that's visually appealing and easy to understand. That's why we created Forecastr. Forecastr is an online service that gives you a great financial model you can use to run your business better and impress investors. We give you a simple and convenient interface that takes the guesswork out of financial modeling. And we give you access to a dedicated team of financial analysts, so you can jump ahead to optimizing your business and raising capital. When you work with Forecastr, you'll start with a 30-day white-glove onboarding where 2 expert analysts work side by side with you to build a great financial model, leveraging your financial data, your assumptions and goals, and your personal input. We work with you every step of the way to build and maintain a model that gives you new insight into your business, your cash flow and runway, your growth targets, and so much more. A model that's easy to understand, easy to use, and easy to share. Forecast with confidence.